Yo, JBlanked here. I've had this device for about 3 weeks. At first glance, this looks like a $75 calculator. And honestly, if you bought this for your math homework, you've been seriously ripped off. But if you're a coder and maker or just a fan of cool retro tech, then this little gadget is a total game changer. So today, we're going to forget the math functions and find out why its real power has nothing to do with calculating your taxes. Well, right out of the box, you know this isn't your typical calculator because you have to build it yourself. And that's half the fun. Inside, you get the main board, a Raspberry Pi Pico H, a surprisingly sharp 4-inch IPS screen, a backlit mechanical QWERTY keyboard, a couple of speakers, and all the tools you'll need. Putting it together is pretty straightforward and just really satisfying. You mount the speakers, connect the screen with a delicate little ribbon cable, snap the Raspberry Pi brain onto the main board, and pop in the super clicky keyboard. The whole thing sits in this solid plastic shell with a glass screen protector, giving it a chunky, nostalgic feel, kind of like an old game board, but with a full keyboard that feels amazing to type on. The kit even comes with a 32 gig SD card with all the firmware preloaded, but be aware it needs an 18650 battery and you have to buy that separately. So what makes the PicoCalc worth 75 bucks? It's the heart of the machine, a Raspberry Pi Pico. That little chip turns this from a calculator into a fully programmable, pocket-sized computer. It's a tiny, powerful brain that gives you access to those GPIO expansion ports on the back, but the real magic is in the software. While the default Basic environment is fun, the PicoCalc is built to be transformed. You can completely change its personality by loading custom firmware, like the one you see on the screen, PicoWare. All it takes is connecting it to a computer and dragging over a new firmware file. Want a taste of retro computing history? You can install Fuzzix, a Unix-like operating system, and turns this calculator into a tiny terminal with a command line and classic Unix tools. If you're into different programming paradigms, you can flash a Lisp interpreter and start exploring a language known for its unique elegance. This isn't just about tweaking a device, it's about giving it a whole new identity, and the community has built several projects on it already. If you're into retro tech and DIY projects like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're always tearing down cool new gadgets to see what makes them tick, and you won't want to miss what we build next. A new operating system is just the beginning. Because this is an open, hackable platform, the possibilities are pretty much endless. The community is already going wild with it. People are using the PicoCalc as a portable terminal for managing servers, writing custom apps, and even designing their own firmware from scratch. With its dual speakers and color screen, you can even get some retro games running on it. The hardware is capable, and people in the community have already gotten things like NES emulators working. Plus, the design files for the case are online, so you can 3D print your own custom mods. It's a platform that's literally built to be experimented with. So let's get back to that first question. Is the PicoCalc really worth $75? If you're a student looking for a graphing calculator, then no. Just get a TI-84. Teachers know it, it's made for the classroom, and it does that one job perfectly. But if you're a hobbyist, a maker, a programmer, or a retro computing nut, then the answer is a huge yes. For $75, you aren't just buying a calculator, you're buying a portable, programmable, and endlessly hackable computer. You're getting a device with a fantastic mechanical keyboard, a great little screen, and the power of a Raspberry Pi Pico all in one neat package. Its value isn't what it does right out of the box, but in what you can make it do. It's a tool for learning, for tinkering, and for rediscovering that hands-on joy of computing. And for that, it's worth every single penny. I'm JBlanked. Until next time, peace.